Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has announced that it has secured an order for the manufacturing, assembly, integration, testing and supply of high-speed expendable aerial target system, which is also known as the Abhyas target drone. After the successful completion of this initial order, Hindustan Aeronautics would be identified as development-cum-production partner for supplying this target system along with a private firm for 50% of the total requirements. This indigenous target drone is designed to mimic the exact radar and heat signatures of Pakistani F-16 and Chinese J-20 stealth fighter jets, and will fully meet the high-speed expendable aerial target requirements of the Indian Armed Forces. The French Defense Minister Florence Parly has arrived in India, and during today's meeting, France is all set to dramatically scale up defense cooperation with India by pushing for 114 Rafale fighter jets and putting the Barracuda nuclear attack submarine offer on the table. The Indian Navy is keen to acquire the French pump jet propulsion system, while the work is underway with Russia to develop an upgraded variant of the OK-650 pressurized water reactor that currently powers the Russian Akula-class submarines. The Indian Navy is also looking to procure some sensors and system from France, but it wants that most of the technology for the submarine should be built around the Indian system. The conventional technology for India's nuclear attack class submarine will come from Russia and France, and experts believe that adopting the Barracuda design to house the Indo-Russian-made pressurized water reactor will be a challenging task. If the Barracuda offer gains momentum, it is expected to have repercussions for the ongoing $5.7 billion Project 75I program to build a new line of 6 advanced diesel-electric submarines for the Indian Navy, which is currently struggling with the single-vendor situation. The chairman of Hindustan Aeronautics has said that the company has no plans to make an attack helicopter in the Apache class. He also said that the market for Apache-class helicopter in the Indian Armed Forces are limited, as the bulk of attack helicopters will be made up of light combat helicopters. After placing 216 military equipments on the negative import list, the Department of Military Affairs is now working with the 3 armed forces and other stakeholders to place orders for these items with the Indian industry. That will provide an excellent opportunity for the startups and micro, small and medium enterprises. The Foreign Secretary has said that Bangladesh will soon be importing defense-related items from India under the $500 million line of credit provided by the Indian government. He also said that several equipment have been identified, and the procurement of these equipments are being fast-tracked. The timely delivery of the AK-203 rifles to the Indian Army depends on the signing of 2 more contracts that are expected to be signed in January 2022, after which the manufacturing activities can be started. One contract will be signed with Russia's Rosoboronexport for support to establish the factory and initiate technology transfer, and the other contract will be signed with Advanced Weapons and Equipment India Limited, which will assure indigenization and involve several local vendors as part of the localization plan. The Russian Deputy Prime Minister has said that once the S-500 system is delivered to the Russian military, India will be the first on the list for the export of the world's most advanced new-generation surface-to-air missile system that is capable of intercepting intercontinental ballistic missiles and hypersonic cruise missiles. ISRO's small satellite launch vehicle is in the final stages of development, and its first launch is set to be conducted in the first quarter of 2022. The SSLV will be a cost-effective launch vehicle with high launch frequency and quick turnaround capability that will have the option of multiple satellite mounting options for nano, micro and small satellites.
Omar dropped it.